The sea otter is an irresistibly cute and captivating creature. With its fluffy appearance and playful energy, it has the power to captivate people of all ages. Beyond their adorable appearance, they also possess impressive tool-using abilities, skillfully cracking open shellfish and prey with a rock or other object. Did you know that they hold hands while sleeping to prevent drifting apart from their mates? As the mammal with the densest fur, their furry coat is a sight to behold. It traps a layer of air to keep them warm and buoyant while floating on the water surface. Their favorite pastime is to lie on their backs, holding food with their paws and using rocks as tools, the epitome of cuteness and cleverness. With their gentle yet curious nature, sea otters have captured the hearts of animal lovers and nature enthusiasts alike, making them an unforgettable and cherished member of the animal kingdom.